So the nation is coming together to mark the 500,000 lives lost to the pandemic. President Biden delivered those remarks you heard a moment ago from the White House at sunset last night. There was also a national moment of silence to honor those who've died. The bells at Washington's National Cathedral tolled 500 times, once for every 1,000 lives lost. And as you saw, the president also ordered flags to be flown at half-staff for 5 days. Wow, I didn't expect to get so emotional, but I know so many families are suffering right now. So many families are going through anguish and uncertainty if their loved ones are in the hospital, and then the 500,000 Americans alone are no longer with us. I can only offer so much empathy to all of the family members that are left behind. Erica?
But Sam, like, this is the problem, right? You're apologizing for being emotional. Like, we're apologizing for not being able to keep it together.
My heart is pounding through my chest.
Yeah, because
right
you're
now.
going through something.
It's just, I just want everyone out there that is watching to take this virus seriously. Please wear your mask, socially distance. Those are 500,000 individuals that had families, had sons, had daughters, were moms, were fathers. I just don't want that to get lost, because I look at the photos on Instagram and people are still acting like that this isn't a deadly virus, and it is. And even if it's not deadly, it's causing so much suffering to so many families out there. So just please, everybody, take it seriously.
It's, I mean, just the idea that people, families, friends who have been affected in the most horrendous ways, what you and your family are going through.
What your family went through.
Like, it just, and then we're like, I'm sorry I didn't keep it together. Really? That's what we're apologizing for? I mean, every time someone does something that makes a mockery of this virus, it's a slap in the face to anyone who has lost someone.
Amen.
And we're not even just talking about people who have lost people to complications due to COVID.
Right.
What about the people who have killed themselves because of isolation and mental health issues? What about people who have found not been prioritized for screenings, who have not found things early because the healthcare system is overrun? Like, what about children who have not learned how to actually start in their formative years interpersonal communication skills? What, like, long-term effect is that going to take? Like, we just continue to gloss over this, and we ignored these hundreds of thousands of people who lost their lives in all these different capacities and made it seem like, oh, most people survive the virus. Yeah, most people do survive the virus, but how does our nation, how does our world survive when there is so many broken people and broken families? That's going to be something that it's going to take a long time to recover from.
Well said, Erica. DBL Nation, please write in. We want to hear from you on this one. We are all in this together, and may we beat this together.